Well, I have my very B2 cycle gas blower vac right here. As you can see, I showed you this blower in my lawn equipment tour video that in order for me to get this blower up and running, it would need a new air filter base for the gasket, of course. It would also need a new carburetor, and as well as it would need a new heat dam since it broke on the second time by accident. So this blower really, I don't think, is not worth fixing. So that sucks. You know, after 5 years that I've owned it, this thing has been a good machine. But that's not what this video today is about. It's about this right here that I got since Tuesday night, I think. This is essentially the same exact blower as my Brand NEW blower vac. It's the Homelite 2-cycle gas blower, 2-cycle gas blower vac. And you can tell the way this design is. This is pretty much the same as that blower as the Brand NEW. If you compare it side to side, they look identically the same. It's that blower, which is why I bought this, so I can, you know, that's why I'm keeping the Brand NEW, because if the Homelite breaks down, I think I have some spare parts for the Brand NEW. But anyway, this is going to be an unboxing video today, and we'll try and start it up. We'll try it with the blower tubes, I guess. We'll vacuum the leaves of this thing soon. So yeah, this is a 2-cycle gas blower vac version. It comes with the blower itself, the blower tubes and bots, the vacuum bag with the little adapter, I think, and it also comes with a wet leaf nozzle. If you look on the back side of the bots, here are the specs. It blows 150 miles an hour and 400 cubic feet per minute. Has a down the tube exhaust channel, exhaust away from the user. There was variable speed trigger and control. Weighs 9.5 pounds. And here is the airspeed. The airspeed with the speedball nozzle, that's actually the round nozzle. It's 150 miles an hour, the same as the Brand NEW. If you put the wet leaf nozzle that I was showing you, it blows 215 miles an hour. It's ridiculous. It also, this one includes the blower tube, speedball nozzle, wet leaf nozzle, vacuum kit, 2-cycle engine lubricant. Oh, by the way, whenever you get a Brand NEW 2-cycle gas powered products and a Homelite as well, it usually comes with a bottle of ethanol shield 2-stroke oil, 2.6 ounces. So yeah, to mix one gas. So anyway, enough talking. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Zero. Let's like pocket knife here. Alright, so let's see what this box is inside here. Alright, let's unbox this. Okay. Wow. Sweet. Alright, let me just extend this a bit so you can see. Alright, so I have. Okay, so here's what the box is. Okay, so this tube looks like a vacuum tube, I think. This is the other part of the blower tube. This is the round nozzle, which are these two tubes. I'll touch those in a minute. Okay. And then this is another vacuum tube. And here's the wet leaf nozzle. This is a little adapter for the vacuum bag. Here's the vacuum bag. It's a lot of stuff here. And then here's the owner's motor 2-cycle oil, and blower itself. Brand new. Alright, that's what's in the box. Alright, so this is the Homelite 2-cycle gas blower vac right here. You can see this is identically the same blower as the Ryobi. The year on this thing, I did check it. Oh, yep, it said it was made on June 12th, 2020. I don't know if you can see it. There's a date right here, and it says June 12th, 2020. It's made in Vietnam. This thing is made in Vietnam. That's ridiculous. Anyway, this is definitely brand new. Choke lever, poster here. Oh yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure this out right here. This sticker right here. I think I know what this is. It's a sticker just to show you how to disconnect the blower tubes from the housing. You just insert a flathead screwdriver, and you just see it push the screwdriver up, and then second you twist the blower tubes that way, like a counterclockwise direction, and then just pull out the blower tubes. It's just the same exact thing as my Ryobi. So anyway, let's go ahead and install some of the parts first. I'm gonna begin by installing one of the blower tubes first. Alright, so I think I know how to install it. You can see there's a groove right here. Let's see this. Okay, so you can see there's a little groove right here, and then there's another circle area right here. So I think you have to do is you're going to insert it like this. Yep, so insert it like that, and then oh, there you go. You just gotta make sure it locks in, and then yep, you hear that click. That means it's locked into place. And you just take this round nozzle here. You just line it up like this, and then it just locks in like that, and then that's actual blower. I'm not gonna show you guys how to install the vacuums. After I stop recording the video soon, I'll try and figure out how to assemble the adapters, just because it may take a long time for me to do it. So yeah, so anyway, that's what it is. So it's the same as my Ryobi, like I said, and this is a 2020 model. You can actually see that the only difference that I know between this and this, the Homelite just says Homelite blower vac on the sticker. The Ryobi says 2-cycle right here, and also the color of the cruise control lever and the throttle trigger and the pull starter, oh, and the carburetor is off, but the choke lever is also yellow. This one on here, it's silver. The Homelite color of the cruise control lever is silver, and the same color on the same thing on the throttle trigger, the pull starter, and the choke lever. Oh yeah, as well as the air filter knob is silver too. The Ryobi's air filter cover knob on there is black, I think. Huh, yeah. But I did not know this blower was made in Vietnam. That's ridiculous. But we'll see how good this blower does in a couple more years when I've owned it. Yeah. Alright, it's assembled. I guess I might go ahead and start it up for the first time. We need to get some gas for it too. I have my true fuel 50-to-1 gas, the premix fuel. I'm gonna put a little bit in it and start storing it, so let's go ahead and start this up. I have a blower outside here. I'm gonna go and get some true fuel. Oh, let's scratch this enough. It's brand new. Then that's plenty. Yep. So yeah. Put the cap back on. Alright. Okay. So it's gassed up. So now I'm gonna show you start. Okay, so start instructions. Pump the primer bulb about 10 times, which is right over here. See, guys, going to carburetor. 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, and then it says to lock the throttle lever, that's a cruise control lever right here, all the way to 4. Guess I really don't need to do that. I'll just leave it alone. I'm gonna put it to full choke position, and then we're gonna start it up until you hear it start, until it starts moving to half choke, and with 10 seconds to run. Alright, let's go ahead and see how well this thing starts for the first time. Here we go. Oh, alright. 3 pulse. Now we'll move it to half choke. Sounds exactly the same as my road. Brand new. 10 seconds. Just warming up just a little bit before it's actually on. Just like a lot smoother, a lot better than my road did. That's for sure. And also, idles is really good too. Yep, sounds exactly the same as like what my baby did when it was brand new, when I bought it 5 years ago. But my baby right now runs even much worse than this. This one is brand new and this is perfect. And this blower, we're gonna try and vacuum those leaves with this maybe in a couple more days. It's a good blower. It's for $100, it's not bad. And it fired up on third pull on full choke, and on it fired up on the second pull on half choke. That's pretty good. My baby would usually take like 5 or 6 pulls to get it started. Used to, when I made that video putting the heat dam. And yeah. Alright, so I hope this blower is gonna serve me great. I know I'm not gonna use this thing a lot more than my baby did, because I want to keep this thing that's a new, brand new. This one I'm not gonna use it a lot. I'll still use it, but not like every single day or all that. Alright, so that's about it. I'll get busy putting the vacuum stuff on there, but you'll probably see this blower maybe a couple more days whenever I maybe to vacuum the leaves. What I am going to be doing now is I'm thinking about starting up my Ombre Tennessee too, because I need to drain some of the gas out of the gas tank, because I need to put some True Fuel 4-cycle in it so I can get it ready for the winter. And that's the same thing for the Ombre 10550. Does need to run out of gas, and then I'll put in the remaining gas that's in left. All my blowers are going to be put away at this December is what I decided, because we had a real deal, and I just decided most of my blowers will be until December. I guess that would be good. So for my mowers and my trimmers, I'm going to try and do it the end of November. Though what I should do, I'm trying to do the mowers first, and then I'll do the trimmers next, and then the blowers will be last. Alright, so that's the video featuring my brand new Homelite 2-cycle gas blower vac. It's a 2020 model, featuring some bots video. By the way, the model number on this thing, it is a UT26BVL3VNM. That's weird, but I'm just gonna call it UT26BV. I guess that's what I'll just call it, because 26 stands for 26cc and BV is blower vac. It's just more like my baby, but my baby's model number is a RY09056. Alright, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.